The installation process is actually very simple. First, knock out the front plastic cover, revealing the wires within the front frame. Once you get it out, remove the connector with 5 colored wires. This can be done using an Allen key or a small hook. Now unplug or disconnect the connector, followed by taking the wire harness, insert it from the back of the frame to the front as per shown in the video. Once you have this portion done, take the wire splitter, connect it to the wire harness as shown in the diagram on the left. Once you got that done, next is to arrange the wire back into the frame and put back the plastic cover. For the rest of the wire harness, you can arrange it along the frame using the strap of your bottom basket. If you do not have one, use the cable ties provided in the box. Once that's done, insert the other end of the wire harness to the back, reaching the controller box. Now, prepare the immobilizer unit with the double-side tape and attach it to the controller box as shown in the video. Once you have this portion done, connect the wire harness with the immobilizer unit. You should hear this sound. Next is to secure the wires using cable tie and secure the position of the wire with another cable tie to the unit itself. And there you go, the installation process is done.